So, Etude2 is overall, it's kind of like a series of arpeggios. It's kind of broken up into two sections. You have the A section, which is more, it's easier. You don't have any bar chords really. And then the B section is all bar, essentially. So I think one of the most important things and the easiest thing to get down is the right hand arpeggio. Because once you learn it per section, it changes each section. It's all you have to remember is like kind of where your left hand goes. So, yeah. So I'm gonna actually write it on the board. So that's the right hand pattern for the whole first section. And it just shifts dependent on wherever your bass is. So the first chord of the piece is an A major. And you're gonna grab it kind of, it's like the more electric style of grabbing it. So you wanna have your first string open. So you have like almost a mini bar with your first finger on the second fret, right over strings, the D string and the G string. And then your second finger is going to grab the C sharp on the B string, right under it. And then you need to have the E open. Does that make sense? So, at first, that's like the basis of this measure. At first, you're going to start with the open A string, and then a hammer onto the C sharp with your pinky. And then right after that is when you need to move your wrist over so you can grab the A major form. So you grab the C sharp, use your pinky, and you need to hold one on the E on the fourth string. So, and then you do a second thumb stroke for the right hand on the fourth string. And then you do I for your G, M for your second string, and then your A grabs the open E string. So just that first chunk is you guys want to try it?
Yes.
You guys ready? We're gonna do it super slow. You guys ready? Ready, set, go. Do it again. Again. Cool. So then the next part of it is a shift. So the open E string gives you that travel room and that travel time so you can get to the ninth position. And you want to use your second finger as a guide finger up to the A on the second string. And then you'll land with your index finger on the ninth fret of the first string. Look at the right hand of it. It's gonna go, after you hit that open A, you're gonna pluck, or the open E, you're gonna pluck the A with your index finger, and then the C sharp with your A finger. So let's try it up to there. Let's see if we can get that shift. Ready, set, go. that gets us to the next part. So after you hit the C, you're gonna land with your pinky on the 12th fret of the first string. And you're gonna pull off back to the C sharp, which your index finger should still be holding. And then you're gonna hit the A again. And then an open E. So let's go up to that second open E. Is ready?
Yes.
Ready, set, go. Cool. So, let me talk about the right hand for that real quick. So, once you first do your shift, it's I, A, M, I, M. So your M is your open E. And that gets you back to your transition to grab the A chord that we started with. So it's basically an arpeggio of that A major chord. So after you hit the open E, you're gonna use your second finger again as your guide finger back to the second fret, and then you're gonna do an arpeggio back up or back down, and you're gonna go A for your C sharp, M, I, and then you're gonna come back and grab your C sharp. And then that whole measure just repeats. Cool? So you guys want to try the whole measure?
Yes.
Ready, set, go.